You're going to love the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has less than 90,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, front dual-zone air conditioning, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.